Hi everyone, this is Michelle. In lesson 39, we are learning Theodore Austin's Dolly's Dreaming and Awakening. Austin was born in 1813 and died in 1870, who was a German composer and a music teacher. Austin was a Romantic period composer. This Dolly's Dreaming and Awakening is a character piece which tells a story. There are three sections, which are 1. Cradle Song, 2. Dolly's Dream and Wakes, 3. Dolly Dances. Overall, Dolly's Dreaming and Awakening is easy and entertaining. It incorporates the primary chords 1, 4, and 5 throughout the entire music. It is fun to play and easy to listen to. I give it 2 thumbs up. Cradle Song is in 3/4 time. The tempo is andante con moto, which means walking speed with motion. The thirds in the right hand must play smoothly connected, while the left hand plays quietly and smoothly to accompany right hand. As Dolly falls asleep in bar 24, the music fades to pianissimo and slows down. The right hand crosses over the left hand in bar 26 to C2 register to mark the end of the first section. Almost all the measures are with half notes followed by quarter notes. The long-short rhythm symbolizes the pushing of a cradle. The expression marks in bar 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, 17, and 18 should be played with a push of the wrist. Dolly's Dream and Wakes is in 4/4 time. Tempo is moderato, which means moderate speed. Since the key is still in C major, we can imagine that Dolly is having a good dream. Although there is a moment in bar 39 to 41, the music modulates to A minor, which adds a different color to the dream. The good news is that the dream did not become a scary one. In bar 41 to 42, it modulates back to C major. One can hear the beautiful line in the bass. In bar 41 and 42, they are different from previous and later ones. Therefore, we follow the ritardando to slow down and do fermata, hold the third beat longer. The entire section has bass line in either half notes or quarter notes. Make sure the left hand holds to its value. In bar 50 to 52, there are a German sixth, a second inversion of C and the two dominant seventh chords to signal Dali awakes. Dali dances is in 2/4 time. Tempo is allegretto moderato, which means moderately fast. The harmony is mostly in 1 C major and 5 G major. There is 4 F major in bar 77 and 81 to create excitement. In bar 53, there is a scherzando, which means playfully. Left hand is in staccato, so play it light and crispy. Follow the accents in bar 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65 to show Dali is energized. There are forte and piano contrasts in bar 77, 78, and 79, 80. Observe all the forte piano contrasts. Starting in bar 87, there are sforzando signs, which mean emphasized. The music ends with an authentic cadence, 5 to 1.